Hi, so welcome to my third Java tutorial for beginners. Today let's learn about some basic arithmetic operators. The basic operations that we will be covering in this video will be plus, minus, division, and multiplication. And there are other math function libraries for calculating sine, cosine, and other complicated formulas, but for now let's focus only on the real basics. Okay, so just as we learned in math class, Java honors the order in which mathematical operations should be performed, like division, multiplication, modulus, followed by any addition and subtraction. And a minor difference between math principle and Java is, well, for example, if we're dividing two integers, the answer will be an integer, not a number with a decimal point. Okay, and just to let you know, these operations are going to be the same in all other programming languages. Well, for example, like JavaScript, PHP, Python, and so forth. So anyway, let's get started. So open up your IDE. Okay, so first of all, let's start by initializing some variables. So first, let's initialize a variable called A. Actually, you can name the variable whatever you want. And I'll assign 10. And let's make the second variable and assign, well, for example, like 5. And this last variable is going to be used to store the result. So I'll name it result. Okay, so let's move on to addition. So for us to perform addition, we're going to be using the plus operator. And this is going to be used to add two operands. So let me show you how it's done. So let's say result equals A plus B. So technically what we are doing is adding the variable A and B together. So it's same as saying we're adding 10 and 5, well, in this case. So let's display it on the console and see what the result is going to be. Okay, so it's 15. 10 plus 5 is 15. So we got the right result. So we're going to comment this out. We don't need that anymore. So next, let's move on to subtraction. Okay, so how are we going to be doing subtraction? So we're going to be using the minus operator, and it's going to be used to subtract two operands. Well, actually, it's the same with math. So let's see how we're going to be doing it. So it's going to be result A minus B. So as we remember, the variable A contains the value of 10, and the B contains the value of 5. So technically, we are saying 10 minus 5. So the result should be 5. Let's see on the console. Okay, system out print line and run. Okay, so we have the result of 5. So we got the correct result. Okay, so moving on to the next is the multiplication. So how are we going to be doing the multiplication? It's easy. We're going to be using the asterisk. So let me show you. Result equals A times B. So technically we're saying 10 times 5, so it's going to be 50. So let's see this. Okay, we got 50. It's working. Okay. And for the last one, we're going to be performing division. So for the division, we're going to be using the slash, which is this one. And this is used to divide the first operand, which is a dividend, by the second operand, the divisor, and give the result to the quotient as a result. So let's see how it works. So the result equals A divide B. So it's saying 10 divide 5. So I assume the result is going to be 2. So let's see. Yes, as you can see, the result is 2. Okay, good. So for the basic arithmetic operations. This is it. But as a bonus, I wanted to show you one more extra thing called modulus. And this modulus, this is used to return the remainder. Well, when the first operand is divided by the second, how did I say? Second operand divisor. Okay, I think it's better to show you. So it's going to be a result. Well, I'll just comment it like modulus and result equals A modulus B. And we're going to show the result here. Oh, actually, we don't have the reminder for this. Okay. Let's change, well, for example, like we can change it to 17 and like 3 and run it. And let's see what the reminder is going to be. Okay, so yeah, it's 2. So I think that's about it for now. So thank you for watching till the end. So till next time, see you. Have a nice day.